guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. I'm a former holistic cosmetologist, makeup artist, and a fashion photographer. It is currently a beautiful sunny Thursday afternoon, which we hadn't had a lot of those. It's been a really snowy, really cold around here, but as many of you know, I really love winter, so I'm not complaining. However, today I definitely feel like staying in for the rest of the day, taking it easy, getting super comfy cozy, making some yummy soup, and probably doing a little bit of clearing out. If you have been following me for a while, you know that my number one thing that I love to do to relax is sorting things and clearing things out. There's something about organizing that really relaxes me. Also, as a minimalist, I do like to keep my space as clean as possible. The plan for the rest of the evening is to make some yummy food, clear out some areas, and get really cozy. Spring is right around the corner, and if you know me, you know that I love to be outside. I love to be in my garden and in nature. So as soon as there is spring, it's really hard to keep me inside. With that being said, I like to use the last few weeks of winter to really clear out the house and kind of do my spring clean a little bit early. So once spring is actually here, I can spend a lot of time outside in my garden. So one thing that I would really love to do tonight as part of starting off my spring clean is cleaning out my skincare. As many of you know, every time you order something, you get those cute little testo sachets, which are very practical. However, after a few years of regularly ordering skincare, I have way too many of those. I'm also looking to switch up some of my skincare, so this is actually a great opportunity to test a bunch of new products. Absolutely love to bust out all of those little sachets and kind of sort them by skincare, serum, eye care, hair care, etc. So next time I want to try a new product or I'm looking for something, I can just go and grab it. If you have a lot of those testo sachets and you want to test your way through them, I would highly recommend you get a little container to put it in. I normally used to always rip them open and use them one time, and then they would just be open sitting in a bathroom until I throw them out a day or two later. At some point I started, when I brought them traveling with me, to fill them into those little travel containers. And if you really fill it in those little travel containers, those little makeup sachet testers will actually provide you with product for up to 2 days, which is the perfect time for you to kind of meet a new product, see how it applies, and see what it does throughout the day. Before we get started on all the skincare, I wanted to show you guys a few pieces that I got for Valentine's Day. So this Valentine's Day, I treated myself a little bit early to a super cute new Moschino bag. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I absolutely love Moschino. So when I saw this bag, I had to get it. I have a very similar one to this one that I absolutely adore. So once I saw this one, I couldn't resist. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this absolutely beautiful bag. Once I saw it, I could not resist. I had to get it. I really love the size, and I love that it has the white band so you could wear it crossbody, but it also has that super cute handle if you want to wear it a little bit more fancy. I saw it and I absolutely fell in love with it. I treated myself over the years to a few Moschino pieces. I absolutely love them. They're great quality, great design, and absolutely unique and adorable. Another item that I saw and absolutely could not resist was this fur jacket. It is this absolutely cute baby pink fur jacket. It is so soft. It is absolutely adorable. I'll be wearing it for Valentine's Day. However, spring is also around the corner, and around here it definitely takes a little bit longer to warm up. So I love the pastel colored jackets and the pastel colored layers for that time of the year. Another thing that I treated myself to was a new perfume. I got the Paco Rabanne Ultraviolet. I used to have that perfume when I was 18-19 years old, and I really loved it. I recently smelled it in the store, and as soon as I smelled it, it just brought me back to the time, so I had to get it. I absolutely love it, and I forgot how amazing it smells. I'm really glad I got it. Another thing that I treated myself to is a new pair of Doc Martens. I have these Doc Martens. I wear them every single day, but I wanted to get a second, newer looking pair because mine are definitely starting to look a little bit beat up. So Valentine's Day is around the corner, guys. Let me show you guys some cute lingerie that I got for Valentine's Day. Hey guys, let's talk Valentine's Day lingerie. My absolute favorite piece that I picked up are these beautiful Victoria's Secret panties. Unbelievably cute. They're very beautiful and high quality as always. Another thing that I picked up is this very cute bra, which I absolutely adore. The cup is sheer, as you guys can see, and it comes with a really fluffy fur trim all around. Very comfortable, very beautiful, very, very flattering. Then I also picked up a pair of silk PJs. These are very classic satin magenta pink PJs with a lace trim. I absolutely love this style of PJs. They're very flattering, very sexy, but still very comfortable. So this was my Valentine's Day haul. For the rest of the evening, guys, I'm gonna go now and switch into something super, super comfy and start making soup. Cooking, and I figured now is the absolute perfect time to show you guys what I have been reading. I have been reading The Making of Curb Your Enthusiasm. I actually bought this book for someone else for Christmas, and someone else bought this book for me, and I couldn't be happier. It is a very easy read. It is, as you probably figured, really, really funny and really, really awesome. So if you need something to read after work to unwind, or if you need a book to read on vacation, I highly recommend this. So I'm now gonna pour myself a cup of kombucha and do a little bit of reading before dinner. After dinner, I can't wait to finally get to clearing out my skincare. Aware of any, I'm sorry, my chair is a little bit squeaky. I am not aware of any of these products being leaky right now. However, I did put down some paper towel. I highly recommend you do the same thing, and then store them in Ziploc bags in case one of these sachets comes open. It's not an absolute mess for all of your products. So I'm now gonna start sorting these. Take all of these products, put them in little Ziploc bags, and put some labels on them. This way I exactly know where it is when I'm looking for it and where is what. I don't have to look through all of these sachets to find the moisturizer that I would like to try. And another thing before I go, definitely remember again to put your product into one of these little containers. Really get the max out of these little sachets if you just fill it into a little travel-sized container. It's also, when it comes to hygiene, a way better choice, but you will also get max out of your product. So I'm gonna clean all of this up, and then I will check back in with you guys. Hey guys, alrighty, it is now a couple of hours later. I cleared out all of the skincare, sorted it nice and neatly. Now I exactly know what I have and where it is, and I can't wait to try my way through it. So for the rest of the evening, we're gonna make myself the biggest cup of cocoa, put on a movie, unwind, and relax. Thank you guys so much for spending the afternoon with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Until then, take care. Love you. Bye.